Hello, my dear friends. Today, we're going to talk about the weekly home blessing. And what I'm going to do for you is give you 5 parts, 5 weeks in a row, where we cover a little bit of the weekly home blessing so you can listen to it while you're working. In the end, I will see if Mr. B can put all 5 of these parts together and you'll have a tape you can listen to, like a podcast, when you're working in your weekly home blessing. So let's start today with part 1. We're going to do it in 5 parts. There are 6 parts to the weekly home blessing. The first part is, it's bed. It's strip your bed, wash your sheets, and put them back on your bed. And then we've got vacuum. We're going to do the floors, vacuum. We've got mop. We've got clean the mirrors, clean the glass, and empty the garbage cans, little garbage cans. So that's 6 parts. So what I'm going to do is combine the sheets with empty the garbage cans. Okay, so we'll start with that. So today, if you've got your earbuds in, you can start by stripping your bed. So it's a 10-minute thing to strip your bed, but it's not really 10 minutes. It's 2 minutes to strip your bed. So I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes, and I'm going to tell you when you are done with your bed. So ready, get set, go. Start stripping your bed. First, let's take all the pillowcases off. Put the empty pillows, the naked pillows back on your bed, but take the pillowcases off, put them in a little pile at the bottom. Do you have 2 pillows, 4 pillows, 6 pillows, or like Mr. B and I, 8 pillows? Well, it won't take you long to take those pillow slips off and put them at the end of the bed. Now, we're going to take off the flat sheet. So if you've got a cover on the bed, take that off. Just put it on the floor. Take the flat sheet off. Got it? Pull it up. Put it on the floor with the pillowcases. Next, go to the corners and pull your corners off of your bed sheets. Pull them off, the elasticized corners. Take that sheet off, ball it up, and put it on the floor. Now we're going to get ready for when you put it back on. Take your cover and shake it out and spread it on your bed like a regular bedspread. Spread it out the way you know you want, the length on the end, the length on the sides. Get that just so. And now take the top and fold it down to the bottom of the bed, not to the very bottom where it's hanging off of the bed, just the bottom edge of the bed. Pull it down there. And now go back and pull it down again so you've doubled it. And if you need to, you can even do it one more time. So it's all ready to go. So when you get ready to put the bed sheets back on, it's going to be much easier. Your pillows are placed where they need to go. Okay, let's go. We got 20 seconds. Let's run over to the washing machine and put them in the washing machine. Okay, didn't take long. Now let's get a pod or pour some soap or get some powder, measure it, put it in your machine. Shut the door or close the lid. Push the button that you need. Ooh, there's our time. Push the button that you need to start your machine. We're done. Now we're going to go and take care of the little bins in the bathrooms. So the little garbage cans. So I'm going to set our timer for 2 minutes and we're going to go get all the little garbage cans. Now, do you have some garbage can liners underneath your sink? I hope you do. That's ideal. So we're going to go into the first bathroom. We're going to grab the top of the garbage bag and tie it with all the stuff in there. Sit it to the side. Take another garbage bag. Did you get it? Is it stuck? Okay, good. Give it a shake. Give it a little stretch. Put it in the garbage can. Put the top over it. Sit it back in the corner. Between the sink and the toilet's a great place, but wherever you want to do. Grab the dirty garbage, the garbage that you took out, and let's go to the next bathroom. Come on, we only have 1 minute and 15 seconds. We got to get it all done. How many bathrooms do you have? Only 1? Then take it to the kitchen garbage. Or, yeah, that's good enough. The kitchen garbage for right now. 2, let's get to that second bathroom, the closest one. Go in there, grab the garbage bag, tie it off, pull it out. Get another garbage bag. Hopefully you have garbage bags under each one of these cabinets in the bathroom. If you don't have a cabinet in the closet nearby, shake it out. put it in, put it over the top. Excellent. Grab the next garbage. Now you've got 2 garbage. Let's go to the 3rd bathroom. Do you need to go downstairs? Wherever you need to go, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Watch your step. Make sure you look where you're going. Okay. Excellent. Let's go around the corner here. Let's go into this bathroom. Grab the garbage bag, tie it off, set it aside. Get another garbage bag from under the sink or in the closet nearby and put it in and pull it down the edge and put it where it goes. All right, that took 2 minutes. We went through 3 bathrooms, 1 to 3. So in 5 seconds, you're going to hear our alarm go off. And we're going to be done with part 1 of the weekly home blessing hour. Part 2 will be next Wednesday. Now that you've started, keep going. Finish your weekly home blessing. Eventually, you're going to have a tape that has everything you're going to do. You can just listen to me, put your phone in your ear and listen and do the whole weekly home blessing hour. So now you know I want you to have bags under the sink in the bathroom. I want you to be prepared for this, okay? All right, when your dryer goes off, when your washer goes off, make sure you put your sheets in the dryer today and then later put them back on the bed. We will address that with the next baby job and get those sheets put back on. All right, have a wonderful day and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.